If you come into Redgate and look at the teams, you'll see something very different than you might see at other tech companies. You'll see software engineers on conference calls, you'll see people doing pair programming, you'll see designers leading entire teams in a room sketching and designing what solutions should look like.
We are an agile organisation, but we don't do things by the book. It's not just a buzzword here, it is actually a real belief.
Probably one thing that sets us apart from a lot of other companies where we have these cross-functional teams, where we've got designers, product managers, software engineers, all working together towards that common purpose.
It's the way we think we can grow a great organisation, is to have leaders at all levels rather than some person at the top of a pyramid who's just shouting at people.
We get given a lot of autonomy. I think that the important part of that is actually making ourselves accountable.
Every quarter at Redgate we hold something called a Product Division Expo.
It's just a really nice opportunity for the rest of the company to come down and talk to the teams and find out what's new, what's going on.
All the teams will be just demoing their product, and it's an opportunity for everybody at Redgate to come and see the products.
Everyone from the company is welcome to attend that, and they can see what has been done around the different teams.
We really believe that product development is a team sport and that everyone should get involved to make the best possible products for our customers.
I've never seen before such a collaboration between designers and developers. Design is not like, I know how to use Sketch, so here you go. It's, go build this thing. It's very much a collaborative thing, so we'll have things like sketching sessions where the designer and the engineer gets together and says, right, we have a problem to solve, how do we do this? And everyone sketches out ideas, we vote on them.
You have to work with your engineers in the team, you have to work with the user experience designers, the sales, the marketing, the product management. Everybody's involved in getting the software out to the customer.
The development process is pretty interesting here. We tend to be very iterative. We want to get value out to our customers as quickly as possible.
You'll see teams speaking to customers daily. That feedback loop from customer back into our teams is, in some cases, a matter of hours, whereas other companies I've worked at, it's a matter of months.
The customer you can think of as an extension to a product team, and we try and encourage and build this practice of regular conversations to test ideas, to get feedback, and to make sure we're heading in the right direction at all times.
Some of the activities that we do really help to put personal development into focus. So every Friday afternoon at Redgate is 10% time, and that means it's an expectation of you that you're not doing product work and you're focusing on your learning and development.
You can use this just to learn. You can also use it to try out a new idea with some colleagues.
There's such a focus on learning and development here that I now speak at conferences. I've started my own meetup group off the back of working at Redgate as well.
The development culture at Redgate is quite unique. It's collaboration all the way from the CEO to collaborating with the person that's sitting next to you. You don't just have to face things on your own, which is the really important thing.